Yo, what's really good? It's the one and only Ace to the Boogie, and I'm coming to you with another review. Now, in this video, I am reviewing the Louis Vuitton Clash Round Square Sunglasses. Oh yes, we're gonna go over the look, the fit, the sizing, and you know I gotta give you that on face. Remember, when it comes to kicks, clothes, or cologne, I'm gonna get you in your zone. Stay tuned. Alright, and welcome back, man. So I do have my bag right here. I did pick these up in the Louis Vuitton store because online these were completely sold out. Like, I looked in two different sizes. They have the size W, which is for Western. They have the size E, which is for Eastern, and they were all sold out online. So I decided to go to the Louis Vuitton store in my area and check them out. So here we go. Comes in that nice classic Louis Vuitton bag right here. Let's see what else we got in here. We have the booklet. I believe the receipt is in this joint. Let's take a quick look. Yep, receipt right here. The retail price on this is $475, and with tax, it came out to $511. So with the state tax, the sales tax, it came out to $511, which is not bad for Louis Vuitton glasses. So I decided to pick them up. You know, I was in there first looking at the cologne, the Louis Vuitton Imagination, which is fire. I had to smell it in person, man, and it is fire. So yeah, if you got that on your list, go ahead and pick that up, man. But anyway, I had to ask about these glasses, and they actually had one pair left, so it was only right that I picked them up, man. So we got the box right here. Box looks good, nice gift box. So you know, if you are giving somebody some glasses, you know, for the holiday, they will wrap them. It'll look very nice. Let's go ahead and open this joint up. Booyah, here we go. I'm gonna just pull it around because I don't feel like untying the bow, so I'm gonna just pull it off right here. Drop that in there. Right here, orange box. And I never even really noticed, but on the back of the box, there is some foil, you know, some, I guess you can say this is the materials, telling you that it's recyclable, stuff like that. But I never even really noticed that on my other ones. But here we go. We're gonna go ahead and pull it out right here. Got that standard navy box right here. We do have, let's see, we have the Louis Vuitton booklet. This is kind of like the care manual, stuff like that, different warnings. I mean, I'm cool, just sunglasses, I'm not tripping. Other side of that box right there. And yes, we have the trunk right here, the Louis Vuitton trunk in that navy blue. It does have Louis Vuitton like embossed on it right here. Go ahead and open these joints up. We have that sand kind of taupe color right here on the inside, soft material. You can see the Louis Vuitton is embossed on that as well. Open this joint up, and we do have the bag. We got the bag right here, man. The bag does say Louis Vuitton as well right here on the front, and this pouch also doubles as like a little microfiber to dust off the glasses. So if you have fingerprints or something on your glasses, you can use the pouch to wipe it off. But let's get into the glasses, man. Tough, man. So yeah, here we go. The Louis Vuitton Clash Square Round Sunglasses, man. Here we did get that brown color because I do have a lot of black sunglasses, so I wanted to go with the brown. And matter of fact, if you haven't subscribed already, subscribe to the channel. I did do a review on my other brown Louis Vuittons. I'm gonna just give you a quick look at those. Here we go. These are the, I forgot which ones these are, but yeah, these are super tough. Glad I got these. These have a really dark, a pretty dark lens. And so that's why when I saw these, I said, you know what? It might be a little redundant, but I just really love the lens on these joints right here, man. So this has a gradient of like a teal to like a slight orange gradient on these. And as you can see on the side, we do have that LV in gold. Very nice. Let me go ahead and throw these joints on, man, cause yeah. Whew. Oh yeah, these are tough right here, man. Louis Vuitton Clash square round sunglasses, man. Let me go ahead and turn to the side, give you some of that side shot. You already know the vibes, man. And I just really feel like with the Louis Vuitton sunglasses, it really just elevates the whole outfit. Like certain glasses, even hats, you know, the accessories can make an outfit. You can have a white t-shirt on. You could have a shirt from Fashion Nova, man. Even this might be from Fashion Nova, man, speaking of that. But yeah, so you can just put the glasses on. It just really elevates any outfit that you have. And I did pick these up in the W in the Western size. And that refers to the nose bridge. And the E is the Eastern, which is usually for like a bigger nose bridge. Usually I get the E, but on these I try it on the W, and the W fit perfect, man. But I really like these. This frame is a little bit different for Louis Vuitton, so they don't have many glasses with this frame. So I really just decided to pick them up. The price was not bad, especially when you're talking about LV or designer glasses in general. You know, the $475 I feel like was not bad at all, man. But let me go ahead and give you one more look right here. We do have Louis Vuitton in the top left. It is etched into the lens right there. And on the inside, we have Louis Vuitton. Let me see if you can see this. We have Louis Vuitton made in Italy right there on one of the arms. The other arm, let's see. The other arm, okay, here we go. We have the sizing on the right side. So take a little look at the sizing portion as well, man. But overall, just a very clean pair of sunglasses. I gotta throw these joints back on, man, because this is when I'm going to wear these, you know, with shirts like this, you know, lighter colors. I feel like in the summer, it'll really be like a pair of glasses that'll be one of my go-tos. I have the orange ones as well. Make sure you subscribe, man. Check out all of my sunglass reviews. And, you know, I just decided to pick these up. My birthday did pass just a couple weeks ago. So I said, you know what? Don't cheat yourself. Treat yourself, man. So remember, don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. You already know I got more heat coming. But it's your boy Ace to the Boogie, and I'm out.